Bill Gates has he's been doing a lot of press. He's putting out a new book. I guess he already put it out, promoting a book. Mm-hmm. And he's been getting asked a lot of questions about Tesla and Elon Musk because, you know, Bill Gates is all about the environment now. He's all about the philanthropy. He's all about the philanthropy. And so people are curious about this tie-in. Well, first of all, I think people like the fact that there could be some beef between them, just like regular human stuff, drama stuff. But then also, people are trying to figure out, all right, so Tesla, environmental friendliness, electric vehicles, carbon footprints and things. Some people were looking at saying, well, Bill, you should be a big fan of that because that seems like all the kind of stuff you're into. Mm-hmm. So what exactly is going on here? And then I guess Elon came out and there was some kind of tweet in which he indicated that at some point Gates had a short position on Tesla.
Mm-hmm. He talked about it on Rogan too. He thought that Gates put a short.
Yeah. So I know he's talked about it more frequently lately, which seems to coincide with a lot of the press that Gates has been doing. But, you know, it's just billionaire stuff, right? Sure. It's just, there's some competitiveness to it. Now, a lot of people were wondering, okay, is there any way, should somebody just ask him? Is there any way to know if he had this short position? Where do things stand now? And so Gates has been talking a lot more complimentary about Musk and about Tesla recently, saying like, this is a big deal. This is good stuff. He has indicated it's not enough and that there's other things that he wants to tackle, but he's been complimentary. But then on this latest interview, he's doing an interview over there on Bloomberg with, I think her name is Emily. Funny enough, I think I did an interview with her at one time.
Emily Chang?
Emily Chang. I think I was on his show at one time, around Bendgate, possibly. But anyway, she asked him the hard-hitting question. She goes, like, straight up, dude. She said it like that.
Yeah.
And she said, did you put a short on it? On Tesla? And he kind of, you know, he has a semi-dodge, little nerves, semi-dodge, and then he basically kind of admits it.
Oh, okay.
Not exactly, but he says, I wish I had been long on Tesla, which is kind of a way of saying maybe I was short on Tesla. And then he flips it around and says, no, you know, my opinion, you know, basically my opinion changed on the matter. And I think what Tesla's doing is amazing.
Right.
But people care about this stuff. People are curious, you know, they listen to what the billionaires are up to and what their feelings are. And it turns out that I think you're going to see more of a relationship between these two now.
Okay.
Based on the language I'm seeing.
Cool.
It's possible, Will. Yeah. I don't know. Am I playing matchmaker?
Yes.